Good morning, YouTube. It is December the 17th, and it's time to harvest the persimmon that I got from the persimmon tree. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what we got. Right, here we go. I actually already ate two of these earlier. I did one in my November garden tour, and then I was making a salad for someone and I grabbed one for their salad. And they were delicious. In the wild, you normally find these when it's really cold out and in the winter, so I left these on the tree, and they seem like they're soft, like they should be ready to get harvested now. This is well, let's go here and look at what the actual name of this is. It is a Fuyu Asian persimmon, grafted. So I got it from Stark Brothers, and it is a domestic variety, grafted. I believe that's the graft right here probably. So it is called non-astringent, which if you've ever eaten a wild persimmon, unless it is perfectly ripe, it will make your mouth pucker like a lemon. That's what astringent is. And these are non-astringent, so they don't make your mouth pucker like that. I'm probably just going to eat this one and leave the other one for another day. It's still holding on there pretty tight, isn't it? I hope I didn't leave it too long. The skin is pretty tough, but it's okay to eat it. That's a pretty color, isn't it, for the almost winter. What do we got, like 3 more days until winter? Looks nice and juicy in there. Doesn't that look good? Looks like an orange fig. Okay, I'll turn the camera around and see. Look. There it is. That is delicious. I don't know what I would say it tastes like either. It's a sweet, tastes sweet and fruity. I guess that's all I could say. Delicious. And there's another little one over here. And I just planted this tree out last winter, so I was surprised that it had any fruit on it at all. It didn't really grow much in length or in height, but it did get these 4 fruit. And you can see there it's got some buds getting ready for next year. There we go. Finally focus. It's got some buds coming. My apple tree, on the other hand, did put out quite a bit of growth. See, it was probably about 3 feet tall when I got it. And it's put out some more branches there. We're still eating this persimmon. Hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. Delicious. Well, I don't know how much enjoyment you can stand, so I'll go ahead and say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, and I hope you have a blessed Christmas season as well. Thanks, and we'll see you soon for my December garden tour.